Hey there, wellness warriors! Welcome back to EcoWellness Journeys, where we explore the beautiful connection between our well-being and the natural world. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into one of my favorite topics, seasonal eating. And what better time to talk about it than in the fall, when nature provides us with a bounty of colorful, nutrient-packed foods that taste amazing and do wonders for our health. Today, we're going to explore the many benefits of fall produce, how it supports our bodies as the weather cools, and why eating in season is one of the best choices you can make for yourself and the planet. So grab a warm cup of tea, get cozy, and let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is seasonal eating? Simply put, it's about eating foods that are naturally harvested during the current season. Foods that are at their peak in terms of flavor and nutrition. In the fall, Mother Nature blesses us with an array of delicious and nutritious foods like pumpkins, apples, sweet potatoes, and so much more. When you choose to eat seasonally, you're not only treating your taste buds to the freshest flavors, but you're also aligning your diet with the rhythms of nature. This is how our ancestors ate, and we can easily bring it back into our modern lives. And there's more to it than that. Seasonal eating isn't just about what's best for you, it's also about what's best for the planet. Seasonal foods often come from local farms, which means they don't have to travel far to get to your table. This reduces the carbon footprint of your meals and supports sustainable farming practices. Let's dive into the good stuff, the health benefits of fall produce. These seasonal foods are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep us healthy, especially as the days get shorter and cooler. Take pumpkins, for example. These orange beauties are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, boosting our immune system, and keeping our skin healthy. According to research published in the Journal of Nutrition, a diet high in beta-carotene can even help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Next up, let's talk about apples. Whether you love them crisp and tart or sweet and juicy, apples are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and polyphenols, compounds with antioxidant properties. Fiber is essential for good digestion, while vitamin C helps to boost your immune system. And polyphenols? They're like little warriors fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. Then there are sweet potatoes, nature's sweet, starchy gift. These root vegetables are loaded with vitamins A and C, which not only boost your immune system, but also promote healthy skin and eyesight. Plus, they're a great source of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Don't forget about Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages might have gotten a bad rap when you were a kid, but they deserve a spot on your plate. They're packed with vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and they're full of antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. And let's not leave out cranberries. These tart little berries are famous for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, thanks to their high levels of proanthocyanidins. They're also rich in antioxidants, which support heart health and may even help lower the risk of certain cancers. As the seasons change, so do our body's needs. The cooler weather of fall calls for warming, grounding foods that not only nourish us physically, but also help us adapt to the changing environment. This concept is deeply rooted in traditional diets like those found in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, where the focus is on eating with the seasons to maintain balance and health. Fall foods like root vegetables, squash, and hearty greens are exactly what our bodies crave during this time of year. They help us stay warm, grounded, and energized as we transition from the light, airy days of summer to the cooler, darker days of fall. By embracing seasonal eating during the fall, you're not only supporting your health, but also aligning with the Earth's natural rhythms, a practice that can lead to a deeper sense of well-being and connection to the world around you. But the benefits of seasonal eating go beyond just what's on your plate. When you choose to eat foods that are in season and locally grown, you're making a positive impact on the environment. Think about it. Seasonal produce doesn't have to travel far to reach your table, which means fewer food miles, lower carbon emissions, and less reliance on long-haul transportation that contributes to climate change. Plus, by shopping at farmers markets and supporting local agriculture, you're helping to sustain small farmers who are the backbone of our communities. These farmers use sustainable practices that are better for the soil, water, and air, ensuring that our food system remains healthy for generations to come. And let's not forget, seasonal produce is often more affordable because it's more abundant during peak season. So, not only are you getting fresher, more flavorful foods, but you're also saving money while supporting a healthier planet. It's a win-win for everybody. Now, let's get practical. How can you start incorporating all these amazing fall superfoods into your diet? The good news is, it's easier than you think. For breakfast, how about starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh apple slices, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey? It's comforting, delicious, and packed with fiber and antioxidants to keep you energized throughout the morning. For lunch or dinner, consider making a hearty roasted vegetable medley with sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and carrots. Toss them in olive oil, season with your favorite herbs, and roast them until they're golden and caramelized. Simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. And if you've got a sweet tooth, try baking a comforting pumpkin pie. Pumpkins aren't just for carving, they're packed with nutrients like vitamin A and fiber. And when sweetened with a touch of maple syrup, they make the perfect guilt-free dessert. To make the most of your fall produce, it's important to store it properly. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and beets can last for weeks in a cool, dark place, while apples should be kept in the fridge to stay crisp and juicy. And remember, variety is the spice of life. So mix and match these seasonal gems in your meals to keep things exciting and balanced. As we move into fall and prepare for winter, boosting your immunity should be a top priority. If you haven't already, make sure to check out our video on the top 5 plant-based foods to boost your immunity. It's packed with simple, effective tips to help you stay healthy through the colder months. So, there you have it. The benefits of seasonal eating in the fall are just too good to pass up. From boosting your health to supporting your community and the environment, there are so many reasons to embrace the season's bounty. Plus, it's a delicious way to stay connected to the natural world and nourish your body from the inside out. And speaking of nourishment, don't miss our next Wellness Wisdom video where we'll be sharing healthy holiday recipes. Enjoy the festivities without the guilt. With the holiday season approaching, I'll be showing you how to enjoy all your favorite festive foods without the guilt, so you can celebrate with joy and health in mind. Until then, remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with all things holistic health and wellness. And hey, what's your favorite fall food? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and maybe even feature your ideas in a future video. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.